Today I explored how to make Apple glass effect here on Spline. To be honest, this looks so far the most accurate that looks similar to the Apple liquid glass. And of course, this was inspired from Big Long's Spline channel. So let's take a look how to make this. Okay, so step one, we're gonna select the rectangle and I'm gonna create a button like this. And from here, we're gonna go to the corner, increase it to max. And as you can see, this won't be that perfect a rounded rectangle, but I'm just gonna go with this one. And I'm gonna go to the extrusion, increase it. So I'm gonna go with this thickness. And let's go to bevel, increase it. I'm also gonna increase the bevel size all the way up. So it's gonna look something like this. I'm gonna go and position it perfectly from the front. And I'm gonna place it on this background, something like this. And from here, we're gonna create that glass material. So let's go to the material. Here, we're gonna go to the color and I'm gonna change it to glass. And I'm gonna go down and let's select the glass. And let's go to the glass options. I'm gonna decrease the blur to 0 and decrease the thickness to -470. And the refraction is gonna be 0.97. So if I rotate it to the side, we got this distance going on. I also gonna need to reduce this distance. So I'm gonna bring it a little bit more back somewhere here. And I'm gonna position it from the front again. Now I'm gonna go and add another glass. Let's change it to glass. I'm gonna scroll down and select the glass. Let's go to glass options. Blur is gonna be 6, thickness 145, and reflection 1.5. And let's collapse it. Let's add another material. And here we're going to select the gradient. Now let's go to gradient options, open it up. Let's go to type and select a radial. And here we're going to need to switch up the colors of the gradient. So I'm going to go with the black, bring it to the right, and select the white and bring it to the left, something like this. So what we're going to need to do here is mask the gradient to the glass. So what is going to happen here is going to delete the glass where you can see the black color. So let's go to the mode and select mask. So now to intensify the effect, I'm gonna go to the ramp and increase the white. And check this out, you can see in the center that the center area is opening up. I'm gonna push it somewhere here. From here, let's go to the material and we're gonna add another material. And I'm gonna search for the Fresnel. Click on the Fresnel. I'm gonna increase the scale to 10, intensity 3, and factor 1.1. Let's go to the material back, add another one, and I'm gonna change it to gradient. Click on the gradient settings, and here I'm gonna switch up the black and white. The white is gonna be on the left, black is gonna be on the right, and I'm gonna align it something like this. Click somewhere here, and here we're gonna go to the angle, and I'm gonna type in -45. So as you can see, the light area is gonna go here, and we're gonna mask it, and the black area is going to disappear with the Fresnel. So let's go and click on the mask. And now you can see only the top right area has this light spot here. And I also gonna need to customize it, select it, and I'm gonna go to the gradient, open it up, and I'm gonna increase the black. I'm gonna push it to the left, and check this out. It is going to eliminate that white reflection. And we're gonna need to repeat this again. So I'm gonna go to the Fresnel, right click on it, and select duplicate. I'm gonna bring this Fresnel on the top. Here the value is going to remain the same, and I'm going to duplicate the gradient as well. Duplicate, and I'm going to bring this gradient on the top. And let's open up the gradient, and then here I'm going to go back to the angle and change this up to 130 degrees. So now you can see this reflection is at the bottom corner, and I'm going to adjust it a little bit better. So it looks something like this. So if you select it, it is going to magnify it like this. It looks pretty cool. Now you also can animate it and make this XYZ axis disappear. So for that, I'm gonna go and add some events. Click on the plus, let's go to animation, click on it. And I'm gonna go here to the start. I'm gonna search for follow. I'm gonna uncheck the Z, increase the damping to 10. And let's go click on play and check this out. Now we got this effect live and it's really smooth. And check this out, there's a quick trick. If you change the orthopedic to perspective, it is going to make it look even more crazier. So if you zoom out, it's going to make the glass thinner. Or if you zoom in, it is going to distort it differently. And check this out, now we got different results. And pretty much that's it. Thanks for watching.